Do you always get shadowbanned on Attapoll immediately you create an account, or after you do 1 or 2 surveys on Attapoll, then you get this message that you don't have any surveys available at the moment? Well, in this video, I'm going to provide possible solutions to avoid getting shadowbanned on Attapoll. So, number 1 reason, always use mobile or residential proxies with real ISPs. And those mobile or residential proxies, they should be static. They should not keep on changing after every few minutes. So this one mostly causes shadow banning immediately after you create an account. Now, the other possible way of getting shadow banned is whereby after completing 1 or 2 surveys, then you get this message that you have been shadow banned. It means that you did not maintain the same profile details while answering surveys. So, on your new Attapoll account, always make sure that the profile details you provide while answering surveys is the same profile details that you provided while creating your Attapoll account. And this way you're going to have to avoid that problem of being shadow banned. Another thing, always use a cloud phone. A cloud phone helps to maintain your anonymity to 100%, and it provides your geolocation details according to your proxy. So whenever you're told to verify your location on CloudPhone, always feel free to enable location verification, and they are going to get the details of your proxy. That way you avoid being shadow banned. That's why I recommend using a CloudPhone while working on Attapoll or any other app-based survey site or survey provider. So these are the possible reasons that cause shadow banning on newly created accounts on Attapoll. But after your account is old enough, you can be able to play around with things and you will be having no issues. But these 3 problems mostly happens to newly created accounts. So if you can be able to avoid all these 3 mistakes, you can be sure that your account will not be shadow banned. So guys, if you enjoy my content up to now and you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share my content with your friends, and remember, this is the #1 YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. We share everything for free and we don't charge members for anything. So thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video.